Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have the Amarey A900 robot vacuum cleaner. Now they do have another model that's the A800. It's the same exact thing as the A900. The only thing is it all cleans the same and everything except for this A900 here. You can use their app on your phone, and with the app it can act as a remote, the same exact thing. You can use the remote or the actual app to do the same exact thing. You're also able to do cleaning mapping via the app. And you can also set this up to a assistant like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa if you wish as well. And with the A900 here, it is a tad higher in height as well. The A800 is like 2.7 inches. And this one here is like 2.99 inches. Anyways, this is the second one that I have. This one here I got from my office, but I do have another one at home as well. So here's everything that it comes with. It comes with like an instructions manual here. You get like this cleaning brush if you want to clean the filter. You also have like a cutting tool here if you get hair or stuff like that stuck in there. You have 4 side brushes, but you only need 2, so 2 of these are actually extra. You have a filter here. There's another filter that already comes in there. Here's the docking or charging station right here. Basically just goes right onto there. And you have boundary strips here. If you have like stairs and stuff like that, just put it next to the stairs so it doesn't like fall off the stairway. And I'll give you a view here. You can see what it looks like here. Here's the power on off button. Of course, you can turn it on using the remote or the app as well. And if we turn it over here, we can see the 360 swivel wheel here. You have the other wheels here. You have a middle brush here. If something gets stuck where you're not able to pull it out, you can always just go ahead and pull this up like this and pull out the brush. Just like that. Easy to put back in. And just push down and go ahead and put this back on. And just snap it in place like that. Here's the 2 side brushes on here. Let me go ahead and put these on right now. Just go ahead and push these in. Just like that, and we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. In here, there's a filter, and this is where all the dust and debris and dirt go into. You just push this button right here, and you can just pull that out. If I turn it over here, we can go ahead and pop this lid open just like this. And you can see the filter right here. They also give you another extra filter here as well. And if you want to take out everything and clean everything up, just pull that out and go ahead and dump all the dirt and stuff into your trash can. To put it back, just put the filter back in like that. Close this up, snaps in place, and then grab this part. Make sure you push the button down like this, and then just go ahead and slide it in just like that, and you're ready to rock and roll. Now the thing is, when you first get this, if you look under here, there's a main power on and off, okay? You basically want to turn it off. You go on vacation if you want, whatnot. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn this on, and let's go ahead and fire that baby up.
Hi, I'm Mari, your home partner.
Let me go ahead and hook up the docking station, and you can see how long the cable is right here. Now here's a remote right here, but also the app has the same exact remote as well, and you can use either or. We have the auto clean button right here. Let me just tap on that.
Start auto.
We have the suction section here. You can move it in the direction that you want. You can pause, and you can resume again.
Start auto.
You have the spot cleaning here. You can return it to the charging station here. You have Wi-Fi pairing here, and you have edge cleaning here. Let me go ahead and bring it to the docking station. Let me just go ahead and click on this.
I'm returning to dock for charging.
Let me go ahead and make a little bit of a mess here. I'm in the office now, and I'm making a big old mess. Oh yeah. All right, let me go ahead and start this up here.
Start auto cleaning.
So right now it's on auto cleaning. You can hear how loud it is too. It's really not that loud at all. I'll just go ahead and tell it exactly where to go. I can use the remote here. Turn to the right here. Go forward. Go backwards. Forward again. Okay, so you got the message there. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on auto clean so I can clean this entire office. Right now it's cleaning under the bed. And of course I can start and stop it. I can use the remote or I can use the app on there as well. Let's go ahead and stop it. And let me go ahead and clean this out. This is all from under the bed. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Open up this lid right here. Pull out these filters. And you can see all the dust and debris in there. Go ahead and dump that out. And I'll go ahead and slide this back in, and we're ready to rock and roll.